So you are starting to learn Arabic and want to dive directly into the practical use of the language. And I will help you by giving you the most important 10 phrases from my point of view so that you can start learning and speaking Arabic right away. So stay with me. What is this? ما هذا in standard Arabic. Aida in dialect, in the Egyptian dialect. When you see something and you want to ask about it, you just say Aida in Egypt, or just say ما هذا in standard Arabic. My name is أنا اسمي. أنا اسمي. And use it in both standard Arabic and dialect. The same. أنا اسمي. Can you help me? Can you help me? هل تساعدني؟ هل تساعدني؟ In dialect ممكن تساعدني؟ ممكن تساعدني؟ What time is it? What is the time now? كم الساعة الآن؟ كم الساعة الآن؟ In dialect الساعة كام دلوقتي؟ So instead of الآن you say دلوقتي. الساعة كام دلوقتي؟ How much? كم الثمن؟ كم الثمن؟ In dialect بكام. Just one word. بكام. بكام. How are you? كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك؟ In dialect ازيك. ازيك. If you don't understand a sentence or a word and want somebody to talk slowly, you just say slowly please. ببطء من فضلك. ببطء من فضلك. In dialect بالراحة من فضلك. بالراحة من فضلك. I don't understand. أنا لا أفهم. أنا لا أفهم. In dialect أنا مش فاهم. أنا مش فاهم. So mish, this word mish indicates the negation. أنا مش فاهم. Excuse me. Excuse me. عن إذنك. عن إذنك. Or لو سمحت. لو سمحت. If you want some word to be repeated, just say please repeat. أعد من فضلك. أعد من فضلك. In dialect عيد من فضلك. عيد من فضلك. So now you know 10 key Arabic phrases, so start practice. If you know other phrases, why not sharing with me in the comments section? Thanks a lot for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in future videos.